Hello dear students, in this class we are studying about the algebraic methods of solving the pair of linear equations. In the last class we studied the graphical methods of solving the pair of linear equations. In this class we are going to study the algebraic methods of solving a pair of linear equations. So by three methods, in the algebraic there is a three method. One is the substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. But the substitution and cross multiplication method will be reduced this year. So that's we are going to study the elimination method here. So elimination method, how to solve the examples, means pair of equations by the elimination method. So to express that one, I am taken here one example here. So what is that? Solve the equation x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4 by elimination method. So then how to eliminate? Eliminate, the name itself only decide. Eliminate means throw out, means we have to eliminate, we have to erase from there. So then how to eliminate that one? See here. So then here whatever the equations they given, x plus y is equal to 5, consider this as equation number 1. The second one equation is 2x plus minus 3y is equal to 4, consider this as equation number 2 here. So then how to eliminate? So how to eliminate means whether check out whether in these two equations any one is the same variable. So x are the same variable, their constants, their here 2x is there, here x is there. So we want to cancel x variable, otherwise if you want to cancel y variable. So any one of the variable we have to cancel in the first stage. So here 2x is there, here x is there. So cancel the x variable, what we have to do? We have to multiply the equation 1 by 2, means we will get a 2x only here. So otherwise if you want to cancel y, so here 3y is there, here only y is there. So here minus 3y is there, here y is there, means we have to multiply the equation 1 by minus 3. So both the side we will get a minus 3y, means we can easily eliminate both the 3y values here. So for that I am going to multiply the equation 1 by 2 here. So therefore multiply equation 1 by 2. So what we will get? So that will become 2x plus 2y is equal to 5 to the 10, means we are multiplying this equation by 2. So consider this as equation number 3. Okay. Now compare equation 2 and 3 here. Here also 2x, here also 2x. So both values we can cancel. So for that what we have to do here? Subtract equation 2 from equation 3 here. So what we have to do? Subtract equation 2 from 3. From 3. What is equation 3 here? 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. And equation second one is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Yes or no? So sign become changes here. It will become minus, it will become plus, it will become minus here. Plus become minus, minus become plus. Here already plus is there, it become minus. Here minus is there, it become plus, and here plus it is there and it become minus here. 2x both get cancels here. Yes. So plus and plus become plus. 2 plus 3 it is a 5y. 5y. Bigger number sign minus is there, here plus is there, here that will become plus 5y. So here plus minus become minus. 10 minus 4 it become 6. So therefore 5y is equal to 6. Therefore y is equal to 6 by 5. When we will take 5 to that side, that will become in a denominator. So what we got? Value of y we got. We want the value of x now. So find out the value of x. To find the value of x, we have to put up the value of y in any one equation. Equation 1, otherwise in equation 2. So first we will consider the equation 1 only here. So therefore equation 1, so that is x plus y is equal to 5 it is. So substitute the value of y in equation 1. So x keep as it is, y is equal to 6 by 5 is equal to 5 here. So therefore x is equal to 5. When we will take plus 6 by 5 to that side, that will become minus 6 by 5 here. So take the LCM. So 5, 1, that will become LCM as 5. So you have to multiply here by 5, here by 1. So 5 5 is 25 minus 6. Okay, 25 minus 6, x is equal to 25 minus 6, it will be gives us 19 divided by 5. So 19 divided by 5. Therefore what? Y value we get 6 by 5 and x value we get as 19 by 5. I hope you understood the method of elimination. Elimination means only just check out the equations and whichever the variable you want to cancel now, that both variable must be equal. You have to make that variable as a equal. So here I taken as a x, I converted as a 2x by multiplying the equation by 2. So like this we can solve the what? Equations, pair of equation by elimination method. Okay, next example is the ratio of income of two persons is 9:7 and the ratio of their expenditure is 4:3. So here income two persons is 9:7 and expenditure is 4:3. If each of them manages to save 2,000 per month, find their monthly income. Okay, so what the ratio of the income and expenditure here they given, we have to find the salary of monthly income of that two persons. So therefore solution, let us denote so income of two persons as rupees 9x and rupees 7x because that is in the ratio, and expenditure only they given, yes, expenditure as rupees 4y and rupees 3y. So then according to the situation, equation becomes, therefore equations become, according to the situation, equations become, so which are, first one is 9 plus 4 first. So this is here will become 4 and here will become 9. So that is will become 9x plus 4y is equal to, savings is 2000. Saving is 2000. According to second one is 7x plus 3y. 7x plus 3y is equal to 200. So consider this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 1. So means this is a person number 1 and this is person number 2. Okay. So then what we have to find out? We have to find the solution for. We have to find the value of x and y. Then only we will get the monthly income of both the persons. So here by using the elimination method we are solving these equations. By using the elimination we are solving here. So to eliminate this one, here 9x, 4y, 7x, 3y it is there. So here 2000, that is a constant, there is no matter. We have to cancel any one variable here. So 9 and 7 are not multiples of each other. So we can't multiply the equation 1 by 7 and 2 by 9. So better we have to multiply equation, we can cancel by here because both are smaller value, 4 and 3 here. Yes or no? So then that's why multiply equation 1 by, so we want to by 3, equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4. Equation 2 by 4. So what we will get? So here first equation we have to multiply by 3 and second equation we have to multiply by 4. Yes or no? So then 9 3s are 27x plus 4 3s are, that is plus 12y, and so here 2 3s are 6,000 that is. So consider this as equation number 3 here. So next one will become 7 4s are, that is 28x. Next one will become 3 4 that is 12y, that is equal to, sorry, so that is 2 4s are 8. That is 2 4s are 8 here. Yes or no? So better here we are saving, here it will become negative because what they given here, they managed to save 2000. Here they managed to save 2000, means this is the income, this is the expenditure, remains what? 200. Sorry, it will become a minus. Everywhere it will become a minus. So then next. So here they consider this as equation number 4. Subtract equation 3 from 4 here. Subtract equation 3 from 4. So fourth equation, that is 28x minus 12y is equal to 8000, and equation 3 is 27x minus 12y is equal to 600. Okay, so it become minus plus minus. So here 28 minus 12x, 12y both will be cancelled. 20x minus 27, that will be gives x only. Here both will be get cancelled, that will become 0. 8 minus 6, that will be gives us 8 minus 6, that will be gives us 200. So 2000 here. So x value we got 2000 here. So therefore x is equal to 2000. So then what about the value of y? So then substitute the value of y in any one equation. You can take a equation 1, otherwise equation 2 here. So consider equation 1. So that is 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000. So in this value of x is 2000, that is 9 into 2000 into minus 4y is equal to 2000. So here that is 18,000, that is minus 4y is equal to 2000 minus 18,000, because plus become minus that side. So then minus 4y is equal to plus minus minus, that will become minus 16,000. Then y is equal to minus 16,000 divided by minus 4. So 4 ones are 4 4s means that will be used 4,000 rupees. So that is x is 4,000, y is, sorry, x is 2000, y is 4000. So therefore what we got here, monthly x value and y value we got. So what is the expenditure and the what is the income of the, so income, that will become 9x and 7x. Therefore income of 2 persons. So that is, first one is 9x, that is 9 into 2000, that is rupees 18,000, and second person is 7x, that is 7 into 2000, sorry, 7 into 2000, that is equal to rupees 14,000. Here it is. What now students, how to solve the statement problems here, how to find the solution by the elimination method here. Next one example, that is use elimination method to find all the possible solutions of the equations 2x plus 3y is equal to 8, 4x plus 6y is equal to 7. So solution for this equation, write down both the solutions. 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. Consider this as equation number 1, and 4x plus 6y is equal to 7. Consider this as equation number 2. So here elimination method, we have to eliminate any one of the variable here. So for that, here 2x is there, 4x is there, 3y is there, 6y is there. So 2x, 4x means we have to multiply equation 1 by 2. We will get a 4x here. So then multiply equation 1 by 2. 1 by 2, what we will get, that is 4x plus 6y is equal to 16. Yes, consider this as equation number 3. Subtract equation 2 from equation 3. So equation 3 this one and equation 4 this one. So equation 3, what is that? 4x plus 6y is equal to 16, and equation 2 is 4x plus 6y is equal to 7. So minus 4x plus 6y will cancel, both are 4x minus 4x 0. 6x minus 6x, this is also 0. What we got here? 0. So here 16 minus 7, that is 9. So here any this side LHS side there is no one also variable. So means it will be false. Yes or no? Here if there is a no any one variable is there, so means which is a false. So what we have to write? Which is false statement. Yes or no? Which is false statement, because any one of the variable has to be left here. So there is no one variable. What the value we have to calculate? Whether x also is not there, y also what not there, means which value we have to calculate here. So means which is the false statements. Therefore, pair of equations, pair of linear equations, otherwise equations does not has any solutions. Otherwise, does not has pair of equations have no any solutions. Yes or no? So these type of examples also they will ask in exam to get confusing. So we will go here x and y value is not left. Where we did mistaken? So where we got mistaken here? So again you are checking all the, you started checking the all the steps here. So if once they come, you have to check once. If not coming means you have to write that which is a false statement. Then pair of linear equation does not has any solution, does not have any solution, otherwise no any solution. So finally you have to write the conclusion and end of the what example here. Yes or no? So these type of examples we have to solve by elimination method like this only. So only elimination method is there. Substitution and cross multiplication method is reduced this year due to COVID-19. So please thoroughly so in textbook they given the substitute method, from that also you can take examples and solve by elimination method. That example, whatever the examples given in substitution method, that only example you can solve by the elimination method. Any example you can take, whether it may be cross multiplication examples they given in textbook, that also you can solve by the elimination method. So that's mistake they will do there. So they will ask an example from substitution method and they will give that solve the example, this example by elimination method. So yes, we can solve the any pair of linear equation by 3 method also. So it may be, especially they defined as by elimination method, means we have to follow by the elimination method only. And this year we have to follow elimination method only because substitution and cross multiplication method they are reduced this year. So I hope you understood the elimination method. So depending on this you have to solve more and more examples, many examples they given in the textbook also, yes, exercise also. Again in the next video again I will take some example, I will try to solve some more examples from the exercise and some verbal problems also depending on this, and some applied questions on the elimination method here. So thank you student, keep studying and without skipping watch the video thoroughly. Thank you.